name is Coco and we're making kids-friendly guacamole. First, we need an avocado, then pepper, salt, and olive oil, and a slice of lemon. First, you need to cut the avocado. Then you twist it. Get a fork or a spoon to get the nut out. Then we need to take out all the avocado and put it inside the big bowl. Make sure you get everything inside. Then get a fork and mash them. Or if you want, you could do it with your hands. It's easier. Now we need to put the olive oil. Just a little bit. Like this. Now you have to put the lemon. Now we need to put the salt and pepper. Now we start mixing. Okay, then you get your kids-friendly guacamole. Hi, my name is Coco and we're making fresh, friendly kids guacamole. Fresh, friendly.